You've got to start somewhere, but how you start says a lot. For me, these VBNet payroll projects weren't just assignments. They were the spark that ignited how I approach building real world solutions through logic, structure, and intent. My first payroll calculator was designed to be straightforward. It used three parallel arrays to track names, hours worked, and hourly rate for a fixed set of 10 employees. Using loops and conditionals, it calculated gross pay on the spot, regular if under 40 hours, overtime if above. It was console based, clean, and did exactly what it was supposed to do. But it had limitations. Data wasn't persistent, the structure was rigid. Still, this was where I started to learn how to think like a developer, how to anticipate input, structure logic, and test for accuracy. With the advanced version, I wanted to go beyond just code that works. I wanted to create a system. So I introduced dynamic input, file storage, and a user-friendly menu interface that allowed for real-time interaction. Employees could be added continuously. Data was written to a file, meaning it could be retrieved, analyzed, and reported on later. The program featured multiple subroutines, each with a distinct task: data entry, payroll summaries, and even statistics like total hours, average pay, and highest lowest earners. This reflected real-world scenarios where adaptability, accuracy, and modular design are key. These two projects, side by side, represent more than just technical progression. They show how I've evolved in my thinking, from building something functional to designing something intentional, from static logic to scalable systems, from arrays that vanish when the console closes to structured data that can live, breathe, and grow. What started as a basic exercise became the foundation of how I approach development, with purpose, structure, and the user in mind. If you're someone who values not just what code does, but how well it's built, then keep watching. This mindset carries through everything I create.